Deep breath at home. Jorge Lorenzo, Danny Petrosa. A bit of a wiggle there from Andrea Iannone. And there he is, Valentino Rossi. In there also Marc Marquez. Certainly not sending Christmas cards to each other at the moment. Just to remind you of the situation. Rossi leads that World Championship by 11 points. Will he be crowned the new champion?
The world waits with bated breath. The 2015 Malaysian Grand Prix about to start in front of a crowd of almost 90,000 fans. Valentino Rossi versus Jorge Lorenzo. The 2015 MotoGP World Championship potentially on the line in the next 20 laps.